now getting unit 6-3 inbound. Air clear. 4-6, what we got? Female black, he's running 6-3 inbound, 7637 after you got the air. Officer down, 10-1, 6-3 inbound, officer down, shots fired at the police.
I get Benjamin even faster. This new obstacle don't know I'm feeling up. My suckers gon' stop and they gon' spend some more. Fuck it, I might spend it all. Sippin' lean, no alcohol.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's 5.0J, and we back at it with another video, man. I know y'all say y'all been missing me, so I'm trying to post more consistent. Really, it's just ain't nothing for me to post. Like, I ain't trying to be biased or whatever, but really I'm trying to post only content that's quality. I don't want to be posting no boo-boo for y'all, but yeah, we back at it, man. We finna start this video out. A little dirty Mustang, man. Y'all see we got a little dirt going on, but who cares? We only want the motor. We want the motor in this bitch. Y'all see what's going on, bro. Y'all see that we mean business. Yeah, we finna go ahead and get this video started. We really gonna get right into it. I ain't really feeling good today, man. I've been sick to my stomach and in my head. Had to go to the hospital, you know, had a couple things, but I'm able to do a little video for y'all right now. So we gonna get right into it, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear that medium start, because I already started it earlier, so. I gotta put gas in this motherfucker, and then I have to put gas in the other car. So yeah, some gas. I probably sound like this because yeah, I'm a little sick right now, but fuck it, we finna get this shit done. They never ask how you doing, they just ask what they need. Like, for real, man, motherfuckers hurting out here. Y'all gotta help a brother out. Just the only way y'all can do that, make sure y'all drop a like and subscribe to the channel, man. We on the road to 600 subscribers, by the way. So y'all, make sure y'all share this video. I'm doing this for y'all. I've been seeing in the comments, everybody been asking, like, we need another POV of the 5.0. Really, I ain't think the 5.0 is that important for POVs. Like, really, when I post the POVs, don't nobody watch that shit for real. But, you know, I got my loyal people that stay down. You know, they want to see it. So that's what I'm doing it for. If you ain't with the support movement, then I don't know. You missing out, I guess. Yeah, my supporters know what's going on, so yeah, we gonna hop right into it though. Should be able to get this video done before I hit the gas station, so yeah, we just gonna get on into it then. And by the way, I'm recording on iPhone. Y'all know how that is. I gotta use one hand to shift, you know. Kinda a little dangerous, but who cares? I'm a good driver, so but I'm gonna hit y'all as soon as we hop on this road. Damn, somebody need to cut that grass. Eating a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably because it's cooler weather out, but this motherfucker definitely feel a lot different. I ain't drove this car in almost a week, so damn, that motherfucker feel good. What? Yeah, I'm gonna go hop on them roads. There's too much traffic up here. We're gonna go to that one street, Mexico. What are you talking about? backlands. You know, this what Mexico look like. If y'all ain't know, this what Mexico look like. You know what I'm saying? We done drove from Chicago to Mexico like that. Y'all some down shits too while I'm at it. I ain't doing too much talking in this video right now because I really don't feel good. She breaking loose. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna put some different tires on because these ain't gonna last till the winter. I'm not gonna drive it during the winter, but like, these tires is ass. And these are like some of the best tires you can really get. If y'all know about Michelin Pilot Sports, I think these are cup. I don't even think these is cups. These are Michelin Pilot Sport 3s or something like that. But I just got these on the quicks. Cause I had some Firestone Indy Hawks and my dumb ass literally tore up the tires in one day. Like they was lasting and shit. I was driving on them and shit. But one night it got a little, you know, got a little out of hand. And, you know, I burnt them bitches up. And really, like, they would have been good if it didn't chip off so bad. Like, they, you know, them tires is like radial. So once they start chipping, they really garbage, bro. I rode driving on them bitches like no cap, like that bitches had my car shaking. So I knew them tires was blue. Had to give me some on the quicks. I'm ordering new tires right now. I'm thinking what I should get. Maybe like I want to go radials again because they work on the street and the track. I'm gonna start doing more track times and all that too, man. Going to the track and, you know, damn, this my road and they over here playing games, bro. Like, what the fuck? One of these niggas need to move. When you go buy you a Ford. This what happened when you go buy you, bro. Come on now. I had this car too long to still be getting excited for this shit, bro. Like this shit is ridiculous. Oh, she a little warmed up. She's starting to make a little noise, baby. Go ahead, calm down, baby. Go ahead, calm down. I know you getting a little tired. You don't get tired, actually. You know what I'm saying? I know you don't get tired. The way you just maneuver through the streets and shit, like. I really love you, baby. You know what I'm saying? You do everything for me. Ford, go get you one. Oh, baby. So we finna go ahead and cut this video short, man. I don't know what the fuck I just did. I was at this parking lot picking up some food or whatever. I went over this big ass hump, you know, in the little parking lots. They got the little hidden humps and shit. So I'm finna get my shit checked out tomorrow, and then I'm gonna let y'all know an update on that. Cause damn, man, that was a little crucial right there. Y'all hear it's hitting a little hard back there, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it short. We got a little POV, a little something simple for y'all today. That's what y'all been asking for, man. Just a little POV driving the 5.0. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below on what y'all want to see next. Y'all said y'all wanted a POV drive. We got a decent amount of POVs on here. The setup really haven't changed. I mean, unless y'all love this setup, I can keep giving y'all POVs. Anything else is like considered Like, we definitely need some new footage on here. And I'm willing to get it done for y'all, man. Just make sure y'all put y'all request in. That way I can get it done for y'all, you know. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. 5.0 J, we signing out.